really appreciate your help, man.
Oh, it's all good. Just imagine doing it by yourself. Which I enjoyed it though, doing it on my car until I daggum blew my shoulder out. Then I was pissed. Do it again. All right, stop. The reason you gotta do this so you don't kill the starter. All right, do it again. All right, stop. We're gonna do it one more time just to be sure it's got oil in it. All right, do it again. All right, stop. All right, you can take the key out or turn it off. All right, stop. All right, you can take the key out or turn it off. All right, don't crank it up now.
10 mil.
Yep.
I know that one very well because I work on it.
Huh?
I know that very well because I work on it.
Oh. Okay.
There's a little nuts for it.
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh. Man, pain sucks.
Ready?
Yep. Does it sound different?
Yeah.
Here it is, y'all. It's all complete other than the strut bar. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna check for oil leaks, coolant leaks.
Yeah, it sounds totally different.
Finally finished with the car. Got a tubular exhaust manifold on, 3500 series turbo, down pipe. Everything is in. Now he's just got to have it tuned. He went with the stock blow-off valve, ETS setup. I mean, it's not dripping here. Like my car, it was dripping. If you want to, you can drive off and I'll see if there's a puddle right there. It does sound different. gonna see what it sounds like with him driving off.